Let's learn how to add Fibonacci indicator in TradingView. First, let's open a TradingView app on your phone. And when you are open it, go on any chart you want. I will go on Cardano. Then click on trade. Now, when you are come on chart you want, you need to click on little pencil icon in bottom of the screen. And that will open to you a driving side page, where you need to scroll down to find Fibonacci indicator and click on it. First, you need to find a swing, which is the strongest move, who go up or down, and replacement, which go to opposite direction of swing. First, you need to put this dot in the lowest point of swing, and then, when you put it, go to find to the highest point of swing, and then with the replacement scroll down to line of the lowest point of swing and just click on it. Of course, this don't need to be 100% correct. And then when you open it, you can see where is the golden zone and higher zone, and this line will show to you. And then this is it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.